How to fill text box background color in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There is no direct way to fill text box background color in Canva. As you can see, if you add any text, there is no option to change color or anything. So what you need to do is you need to click on element, which is in left side of your screen. Simply click on Element and in Shapes click on See All. You will find all these shapes. Click on the shape you prefer. For now, I'll simply click on Square. Drag and paste it. You can resize it as well. So you'll find color option on top beside Edit. You can add any color for the background you want. You'll also find text box option. As you can see, you can type inside the shape. To change the shape color, simply click on circle beside edit, and to change color of text, simply click on A option, which is beside B and beside plus button. After that, type in and you're good to go. That's how you fill text box background color in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next.